First, type the address. This is our Google site. You can scroll down and simply click this button to download EROXcel calculator. Then, we can save the file into our device. Double-click to open the file. Don't forget to enable editing. For Cramer's rule, after we fill all the colored space, the solution will display on the left side and the detail for the calculation on the right sides. On the other hand, we also can use Gauss-Jordan method by click ERO tab to get the same solution. For ERO, we can fill the values of linear equations into augmented matrix provided.